how to restore purchases on Toca World. So first, you just have to go to Google Play Store and of course install this game. Now, what you want to do here if you are already using this application and you want to restore purchases on Toca World. So you can complete the straightforward procedure of restoring your Toca World purchases in a few simple steps. So to get your purchases returned, these are the following things you need to do or steps you need to do. Of course, you have to open your Taco World application, navigate to the app settings menu. Usually, you can find this by tapping on an icon that looks like a gear. Locate and tap the Restore Purchases or Restore option that appears in the settings menu. You might be asked to provide your Google Play or Apple ID credentials. To continue, enter these details. So the Taco World will then be accessed by the app, which will then confirm your prior purchases. You will be able to use your purchases again after the verification process is finished. Now, if you downloaded Toca Life World while connected into the Google Play Store application with the same account you used to make purchases, your past purchases should be restored immediately if you try to play the game again on a new Android device. As easy as that. So I do really hope that this video helped you. Thank you so much for watching and see you in our next videos.